The Adventurer. Welcome to Sharjah, Daddy.
We're living in Sharjah for almost how many years, Dad? 7 years.
Then it's their first time.
We're only here outside.
Okay, buy some tickets.
Butterfly house, you look.
Butterfly?
Butterfly, you go butterfly, 50 dirham one.
50
Huh?
dirham.
50 dirham one. Okay.
Oh, Chay, oh.
Thank you.
Hindi na, mamaya na. Hindi na. Kami na bahala mamaya sa
Nauna na ako ng tipid ticket. Nauna na ako ng tipid ticket.
Ano, Dad?
Nauna na ako pumasok, wala pindo pa yung ticket.
Ay, picture tayo dito sa gitna.
Ano lang kami, tour guide lang kami, tour guide. After 5 years.
After 5 years, oh, di ba?
Hindi pa talaga
Parang masarap mag-camping dun.
Oo nga.
Tama kami sa vlog mo, ah.
Naruksit sila. Dali natin.
Tingnan mo natin.
Paro.
Spell it.
Paro. P-O-R-O.
I can't do the tongue thing. Paro, paro.
Paro. Yeah.
Paro.
Kanta yun. Anong paro bukid.
Paro.
Lalong hilak, lipad.
Kasi yung kantad.
Playground.
Ay, parang pagod na kayo agad.
Oo nga. Pagod ka na kagad. Tawirin mo lahat.
Paro.
That's the Paro. I think that's the shop or cafe shop.
Oh, yeah, might be.
Parang shop yan siya or yung cafe yan, no? Oo.
Sawang-sawan ako sa style. Alam mo, dati nung nagtatrabaho ko, Dad, ang bigat.
Paibon pa. Malumit sa lipat. Oh.
Where's the map?
Well, the butterfly house is back over there.
Ah, dun daw.
On the other side? Hello from the other side. Let me see the map.
Saan tayo mapunta?
Let me see the map. Let me see the map.
We're right here now, see?
Where's the butterfly? What number?
There's the butterfly. One. So it's like right at the corner there.
Oh,
butterfly house.
okay. Then what are the other ones?
No?
The swing, no.
Let's go to the
okay.
butterfly house first. Let's try it.
The entrance. Thank you po. Look at butterflies. Ayun, ang dami. Butterflies are eating. Look.
Paro.
Yes, it's paro-paro, Daddy.
Paro.
Opo.
Oh, paro. That one doesn't even care.
Take a picture of it.
No.
That will... Where?
Different color.
Oh, yes. Look at that. We show it to. Ay, Daddy. Ayan. Ano.
Fruits lang yung kinakain.
Look. I took video of it.
Oh, there's a big white one there. See? It's like, I already checked. You're not a flower.
Ayun, Daddy, yung laki oh. Nasa taas eh. Ayun oh. Nasa taas sila eh. There's a... Ayun, ang ganda na no. Yung blue. No, don't go. Come back. Ha ha ha.
Glasses is flour. Says this doesn't taste very good, nah?
Wait lang. Wait.
I had it so perfect. With the ray of the sun coming through. Messed it up.
Ay, nako.
I had the ray of the sun coming through the bush. And you messed it all up. It's okay. Just a moment. And there's a zoo, right?
Oh, the zoo is not here. Just the aquarium.
I thought you said there was a night zoo.
Yeah, but I thought it's like it's it's near the place that we're going to eat, but it's not. Now it's on the other side.
So you lied. You lied. You broke your vows to me, nah.
I said I love you, but I lied. Look at these cuties. Nice flowers, but there's like poops. Green meadows. Oh look, island. Let's go, Daddy.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You see the photo. Be careful.
Here?
Yeah. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Said I love you, but I lied. Picture muna kayo dyan. Dito muna kami.
Why don't you take a picture of them for them? They took some of us.
Just taking pictures for Lily Pearl. It's nice that they have like trees here. How to be a photographer.
Off the pad.
Ayan. No, okay ba? Picture? Let's go. Kasi may dagat-dagat.
Naman, ang bako na lang. Nalulula ka pa.
Wala ka naman.
Hulog kita dyan. Nalulula ako. And like this many days.
Ayan, picture. Ayan, pag-picture mo muna sila.
So wait for the picture now.
Yeah.
Illuminated rock crystal. I think they used to call it something.
Kala ko nasunod pa yung pusa eh. Puno ng Nara.
No.
Tsareng.
Seryoso pa sa Nara.
But good.
Ba't kasi walang explanation over here?
Yan daw yung pinakamatandang puno dito.
Where's the maze? You wanna go through it?
Di ba ito yung yung pag pinutol mo may gata?
Oh, what's this?
Ito yun eh. Pinutol mo may gata. Tapos
May gata?
Oo. Oo. Yung parang dagta niya.
Ano mangyayari sa dagtan?
Wala, malagkit lang. Tapos pwede mo siyang pandikit-dikit. Dati pinandidikit namin sa mga papel-papel.
Ba't meron ka ganyan sa Pilipinas?
Oo.
When?
Meron.
Bahay ng lola mo.
Bahay ng lola ko. Ganyan.
This the entrance? To the maze?
This is the maze. The maze. And then the maze. The maze. Ah!
Maybe we could do some more things. I think there's a hole here. Go, go, go.
Go! Dead end.
Dead end din dyan.
No, that's the middle
Ito
one.
na. Ito na yun.
Yay, we did it.
Oh.
Now we got to go out.
Ayun, dito lang, straight lang. Daddy.
Saan?
Eto, straight, pwede.
Go the way we came in, but too low.
Dito na. Ayun oh.
Why?
So that we can go to the other... way. This is the way. This is the way. The way.
Okay. Now we need to find the...
Ovo art installation.
Yeah, this is the oval art.
Dapat pag mag-itig ka naman.
Tulisan mo po. Tulisan mo.
Ask Anna to take us picture.
Go, go, go.
Ask her to... You don't, you go like this.
I don't know how safe that is.
Dito kayo sa gilid daan, no?
Ginamit ka na.
Sa gilid. You walk... Dito sa side na lang, maglakad ka sa side.
Pag kinontra mo pala.
Oo. Kailangan na ano ka eh. Kailangan sasabay ka sa ano.
Madadapa ka rin talaga pala. Forward. Forward. Nakampara mo na. Sabi mo, ingat siya pag kinontra niya.
That's good.
Oo.
If you
Try to stop.
Hindi, pag
Hindi, parang pag pinigilan mo kasi. Pag pinigilan mo. Oo, kailangan ano ka. Oo. Oh, look at this fountain. Taurus sculpture. Mirror polish. Place with light and reflection. To mislead the eye and stimulate the mind. That is sculpture. It says it will play with your mind because of the reflection.
Yeah, well, not mine. My mind is like steel now because you play with it all the time. So it's trained to be strong.
Dami mo sinasabi. Yung ano lang, sculpture lang yung sinasabi ko eh. We are working for your experience. Sarado. Sarado. Ano oras bukas?
We could enhance our experience if we just go through the gate out there.
Oh, Daddy, tingnan mo siya.
Ang buffet yata.
May table pa.
May table pa. Ako magbubukas.
Ah, ito yung parang dinner, ano, dun sa labas. Yung 175, ano ba yun?
Meron ba?
78 or ano?
Magkano?
78 or 100 plus. Basta mga
meron
ganun.
talaga.
Oo.
Baka mamaya meron. Kaya siguro open sila hanggang alas 12.
Baka.
Kasi meron silang dinner time.
Ah.
Kemikot ganun.
Yeah. This is the cactus na.
Dinner.
Ah. This time
May
now.
pasok ka dyan, oh. Itlog. Ay, may entrance.
Wala, wala. Hinarangan nyo ka. Hinarangan yung asawa.
Ay, nakita ng cactus na yan.
Oo.
Do not touch the cactus.
Please don't touch.
Church na lang natin sa kotse.
Come.
And if you do touch, don't come complain.